Hi, I'm David Strutt, the Technical Manager for the Hematology Department at Torbay Hospital. We're currently working with the HORIBA HELO kit, which we took on, went live with last August. We've had great support from the HORIBA staff. The installation went very smoothly. The analyzers are very efficient at tackling our workload, which is around about 1,500 samples a day. It's a great improvement on the previous system, the Pentra 120s. The track itself actually smooths the workload down, so if we have reticulocytes, and if we load it on the 1500, the track will then take the sample to the 2500s and do the retic count. It's got an integrated staining system where films are made by rule from the data management system, the P8000. We've had great support from HORIBA during the implementation and helping us with the accreditation procedures, which we've submitted to UCAS, which they were very happy with the data that was submitted. HORIBA have been very supportive throughout that process. Our external quality assurance is very good with NEQAS, considering it's the first installation of its kind in the world, and we're very happy with the kit and the reliability of it. Had very few serious problems despite the fact it's a brand new kit. Great support, as I say. Always count on HORIBA responding to any faults, either via telephone or telephone support or through an engineer call out. We've been very happy with the speed of the instruments and the dealing with our current workload. There's certainly spare capacity. We have 3 analyzers here, and we know that 2 can deal with our work should we have an outage. The analyzers, as I say, are very efficient at chugging through the work. Generally, all of our work is done before the end of the working day at 9 o'clock, with no excess samples left over to process the next day. As I say, blood films are made from rules, so we can pick up on all the abnormal results, which are picked up by rule from the data manager. So in terms of the staff, they think it's a massive improvement from the Pentra 120s, and we're, as I say, very happy with the product that we have. Reagents are very stable. Verification between one batch of delivery, one batch and the other, is very consistent. Delivery times are very good. HORIBA is very good at ensuring we have the deliveries on time.
I'm Jackie. I'm a biomedical scientist in Torbay. I've worked in lots of labs with lots of different analysers, some with tracking like the HORIBA one, some without. I think this is actually quite a nice one to use. I like the fact the tracking's all around the back, so it does turn up where you want things to be without getting in your way. It's very easy to change the reagents, as long as people put them in the right place to find them. It's quite easy to run. It'll take your samples from wherever and do what it thinks it wants to do with them, and usually it's right. Yeah, generally we're very happy with them.
So we're ultimately very happy with the product that we've got, and really happy to still be working with HORIBA. Very keen to carry on working with them and to develop this new product, and looking forward to the future.